Canon PIXMA MG3630 printer. Ink cartridges installation. What you'll need. Canon-compatible ink cartridges. Black, PG-240 or PG-240XL. Color, CL241 or CL241XL. Step 1. Turn on the printer press, the power button to turn the printer on. Make sure the printer is connected and not displaying any errors. Step 2. Open the front cover. Gently pull down the front cover, below the output tray. The cartridge holder will move to the replacement position in the center. Step 3. Remove the old cartridge. Wait until the cartridges stop moving. Push down on the cartridge tab to release it. Pull the cartridge straight out toward you. Step 4. Prepare the new cartridge. Take the new cartridge out of its packaging. Remove the protective tape, orange-yellow strip, carefully. Do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Step 5. Install the new cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the correct slot. Left slot. Color, CL241. Right slot. Black, PG-240. Push the cartridge up and in until it clicks into place. Step 6. Close the printer. Close the front cover carefully. Wait for the printer to recognize the new cartridges. Step 7. Align the cartridges. Optional but recommended. The printer may prompt you to align the cartridges. You can also do this manually via the Canon Print app or from the printer driver settings on your computer. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.